So next up, guys, a real nice day cab truck. It's a 2012 Kenworth T660. I'll go around it, give you a nice 360-degree view, but just pretty cool the way this one's set up. It's a day cab, like I said, guys. Got the Eaton Automatic Transmission. It's got a big Cummins, a Cummins ISX 15-liter, 450 horsepower diesel motor, aluminum rims, really good steer rubber, guys. Drive rubber's starting to get a little worn, but definitely still has some life left there. It's got mud flaps, sliding fifth wheel. And the interior is real clean, guys. You got AC. The passenger side window is power. It's got a good radio. It does have a little bit more space in the cab. For a day cab, you got a little bit more space. It's a little roomier. 120-gallon fuel capacity. I'm here with Mike. He'll fire it up. We'll get you a nice demo. Starts right up there, guys. Real nice Kenworth truck. Like I said, got the big Cummins and that automatic. Pretty desirable piece. Mike doesn't drive a lot of these big trucks, so you have to bear with me. The air brakes on there. I have drove this truck around the lot, guys. Seems to shift pretty nice. Obviously, you get a good day cab with an automatic, pretty good grain hauling truck, or even over-road truck, just on short day trips. 50,000-pound GVW, guys. Brake lights do work. Come backwards here for you. So there's the demo, guys, of the 2012 Kenworth T660 day cab truck, Eaton Automatic, Cummins ISX 15-liter diesel motor, 533,000 miles, guys, right at 21,000 hours. Real nice, clean, good looking truck. Good luck, guys. Auction time and old.